Yo, what's up guys? Sync here, and today we're gonna be power washing the Husqvarna. This thing, as you can see, is an absolute wreck at the moment. Absolute dirty as fuck. Needs it bad from that ride. Just look at all that mud. Tires are completely covered in mud. Need new tread. Freaking springs covered in mud. Whole entire pipe is covered in mud. It's completely caked in there. Freaking forks are covered in mud. But these guys are good. Fork seals not leaking at all, which is good. Just got a bunch of dirt everywhere. Got a stick in the tire. But yeah, we're gonna get this thing clean. So I'm gonna throw some before and after pictures after I pause this, and then I guess I'll be back when she's done. See you guys in a flash. Alright, boys and girls, we have completed the cleanup of the Husqvarna 125. She's in pristine condition. Beautiful, beautiful bike now. Gorgeous looking. Clean as fuck. Sexy as fuck. Ring ring as fuck. Gotta clean up a little bit more of just a towel. Some stuff that I want to come off with the pressure washer. And also clean off my boots nice and clean with the pressure washer. And yeah, everything on this bike is pretty much minty clean now. Hope you guys enjoyed this very short video of me cleaning my dirt bike. And I'll see you guys next time. Later.